The tourist destination. Welcome to the tourist destination, your ultimate guide to the world's most fascinating places and the stories that make them unforgettable. Here we uncover the hidden tales and history behind the spots you love. Los Angeles, a city known for its glitz, glamour, and iconic attractions. But it's also a place that has faced the destructive fury of wildfires, leaving no stone unturned in their path. Today, we uncover 7 tourist attractions destroyed by Los Angeles wildfire, and take a closer look at these beloved destinations that were consumed by the flames. Stick around because you'll be surprised by what's on top of our list. Number 1. Griffith Park. Known for its scenic hiking trails and the world-famous Griffith Observatory, this cherished destination has seen parts of its vast expanse destroyed in multiple wildfires over the years. But here's the catch. Did you know this park's 2007 wildfire nearly shut down one of the most iconic locations in movie history? Spanning over 4,300 acres, Griffith Park is a green sanctuary amidst the urban sprawl of Los Angeles. Its diverse ecosystem, from chaparral-covered hills to oak woodlands, suffered immense damage, impacting wildlife habitats and vegetation. Recovery efforts have included replanting native species and rebuilding infrastructure. The park's resilience is a testament to the community's dedication to preserving this historic treasure. As we dive deeper, you'll learn how this historic park clawed its way back to life, remaining a beacon of hope and natural beauty. Number 2. Malibu Creek State Park. Once a paradise for hikers and campers, this stunning park was devastated by the Woolsey Fire in 2018. But here's something most people don't realize. The fire didn't just destroy nature, it erased Hollywood history. The park's picturesque landscapes, spanning over 8,000 acres, were a favorite filming location for iconic productions like Planet of the Apes and MASH. The Woolsey Fire burned nearly 97,000 acres across Los Angeles and Ventura counties, consuming large portions of this park. Efforts to bring it back have included trail restoration, habitat rehabilitation, and community-driven volunteer work. The surviving artifacts from the MASH set stand as a poignant reminder of what's been lost, and the importance of preserving this cherished destination for future generations. Number 3. Paradise Cove. A serene escape for tourists and locals alike, Paradise Cove wasn't entirely spared from wildfire damage. But here's the hook. This picture-perfect beach, often seen in commercials and movies, holds a secret. The adjacent hillsides, rich with coastal vegetation, were severely affected, creating a stark contrast against the sparkling blue waters. What's the untold story behind its survival against all odds? Local businesses, including the iconic Paradise Cove Beach Cafe, banded together with the community to fund restoration projects. These efforts have not only brought back the beauty of this idyllic spot, but have also strengthened the bonds among residents and visitors alike. As we reveal more, you'll see how their resilience became an inspiring tale of unity and perseverance. Number 4. Topanga State Park. A haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers, parts of this vast park were consumed by wildfires, leaving once lush trails barren and inaccessible. Covering over 11,000 acres, Topanga State Park is one of the largest wildland parks within a major city in the United States. But wait until you hear this. Topanga's recovery isn't just about planting trees. Scientists and conservationists are using advanced technologies, including drone mapping and fire-resistant landscaping techniques, to restore its ecosystems. The park's rich biodiversity, including rare species of plants and animals, has made its recovery a priority for environmental groups. Volunteers play a crucial role in replanting efforts and educating visitors about wildfire prevention. This innovative approach could serve as a blueprint for similar recovery efforts worldwide. Number 5. Paramount Ranch. A historic filming location for countless Western movies and TV shows, the Woolsey Fire wiped out its iconic Western town set. Established in 1927, Paramount Ranch has been a cornerstone of Hollywood's golden age. Its rustic charm and historic architecture attracted directors and tourists alike. But don't write it off just yet. There's a bold plan to rebuild it better than before. The National Park Service, along with Hollywood studios and local historians, is spearheading the reconstruction. And here's the kicker. The new design incorporates fire-resistant materials that could set a new standard for historic sites. From its ashes, Paramount Ranch is poised to become not just a tribute to its past, but a symbol of resilience and innovation for the future. Number 6. Will Rogers State Historic Park. Named after the famous actor and humorist, this park was beloved for its equestrian trails and historic ranch house. Spanning 186 acres in the Pacific Palisades, the park offers a glimpse into the life of Will Rogers, showcasing his ranch house, polo field, and breathtaking ocean views. But here's something you didn't know. The wildfires threatened to destroy original artifacts from the Rogers family, including irreplaceable memorabilia. What measures were taken to save this slice of history? Fire-resistant storage solutions, sprinkler systems, and emergency response plans were swiftly enacted to protect these treasures. Restoration projects have focused on preserving the park's historical significance while enhancing its resilience to future wildfires. It's a story of determination and the power of foresight. Number 7. The Getty Center Gardens. Although the Getty's state-of-the-art fire protection system saved the museum itself, the surrounding gardens weren't as fortunate. Designed by artist Robert Irwin, the Getty's Central Garden is a living masterpiece, blending art and nature in perfect harmony. But here's where it gets fascinating. The gardens were part of a unique experiment in fire-resistant landscaping, using drought-tolerant plants and strategic layouts to minimize fire risks. Did it work? The results were mixed, but the lessons learned have influenced fire prevention strategies for other cultural landmarks. Today, the gardens are gradually being restored, with an emphasis on resilience and sustainability. This isn't just about one garden, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring spirit of preservation. As we reflect on these tragedies, it's a stark reminder of how precious these landmarks are, not just as tourist destinations but as cultural and natural treasures. Each holds stories, memories, and a legacy that transcends the flames. Wildfires may scar the land, but they also inspire resilience and renewal. And here's a question for you. What can we do to ensure these stories continue for future generations? Let's continue to support recovery efforts and do our part in preserving the beauty of Los Angeles for future generations. By coming together, we can help these landmarks rise from the ashes, stronger and more vibrant than ever. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more fascinating stories from the Tourist Destination channel. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired.